Friday the 20th of February 2026, we're in the barn in the GALE yard with Darby, the daughter of Australia. It's also the birthday of GALE 10, who was a stallion here, the yard last dog. He stood here for 2014 to 2019. He's now relocated to Sweden. It's his birthday today. He turned 16 today. I'll be doing a little announcement for him later on. Now, just going to get some grass. There's another new mare up here.
Yeah.
Ocean Moon.
Ocean Moon. In a while, yeah.
Look this way, look this way. Like you can see, Ocean Moon. The start is Camcorder. We go to let's see.
Sioux Nation.
Sioux Nation, yeah. Beautiful, and the date is that?
Second of the second.
Second of the second. She fold on
7/8.
17.
Big coat.
Yeah. Big coat. Yeah. Okay, just if you could just film this side, so there's people there.
Here she is. Here's the grass now. She's waiting for you, I think. Dabia is. Hey, give Dabia some first. Give Dabia some first. Dabia's waiting for you.
Yeah. So these ones, these are coming around. I think Ocean Moon's coming around. I think Ocean Moon's coming around. You want to look after Ocean Moon? You ready for that? Welcome to the center. Nice and grass, girl. Usher in. It's nice and grass, girl. Usher in. I love your name, by the way. Really.
Yeah.
Usher in. Nice and grass. Nice and grass, girl. Come to the sleep, buddy.
Huh?
Come to the buddy. Usher in. Well, say hello to me, girl. Nice and grass. Welcome to the stud. Welcome to the stud. Hey, the phone's beautiful, by the way. He's the phone boy. It's your nation, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hello, girl. It's a lovely name you got. The beautiful horses. It's what you remind me of. You remind me of my friend Nanta Prado. Yeah, the Nanta Prado's stars also coach, yeah. Yeah. You want some grass? You want grass? Hello? No, you don't want no. This is the nervous one.
Try a good old Dabia there.
Hello, girl. You want grass? You want grass? There you go. There you go, girl. At least you appreciate it. At least you appreciate the grass. Huh? Yeah. At least you appreciate it.
Yeah. Hello.
Hiya. Loves the grass. Yeah, at least at least she appreciates it. You know? Lovely girl, aren't you? I told her girl that I'm meeting her one time. She came without her phone, did she? Huh?
Yeah.
You can't ring her.
She knows where we're going though.
You can't ring her. She's having soup in the restaurant. No, I don't know what soup it is. I didn't ask. What was the grass into the stables would they eat it?
Just give it Dabia food.
Huh?
Just give it Dabia food.
The first visit here, is it? You like it? Yeah. These are new mares. She's the daughter of Australia, this mare. Yeah, Australia is the son of GALE. You heard of GALE, haven't you?
I have, yeah.
She's the daughter of GALE.
Right.
And you can see a daughter of Australia, Australia's GALE's son. Yeah.
Okay.
You can see a lot of Australia. You can see a lot of Australia in her. She looks like him.
Yeah.
He's a chestnut as well. So.
She a good runner or?
I don't know anything about her,
Okay.
but Australia is in Coolmore, in Tipperary.
Okay. There's a nice few horses around.
Yeah, these are only mares now. Yeah. That one they're very nervous. I wouldn't be going near her because she pins her ears back. She probably can bite you. She's quite nervous. Yeah.
Yeah, nearly.
There's more mares in the stables in there.
Yeah, I went round and had a look.
Yeah.
They're all foals are only.
Yeah, these
Couple
are
of
just
days
new.
from
They're
few
already
weeks,
just
yeah.
born. They're already just born. Yeah, they're already just born.
It's a great sight to see.
So it's already the start of the season. It only
This one
started
here,
about
the
Valentine's.
covering fee for this fall was €300,000.
Jesus, yeah. And that's
At
not
the
even
late,
guaranteed.
it was on the late Wooden Basset. No, Wooden Basset is going to pass away last September.
There's several of them around the stuff.
There's money in horses.
Yes, huge money.
Yeah. Are you into the racing and do you have bet on horses?
I don't really. We have a farm up the road, but we don't have horses.
Are you from Kildare?
Yeah, I'm from
Yeah,
town here.
yeah, I guess with the accent.
Yeah. Yourselves?
From
Dublin.
Dublin.
Yeah.
Okay. Down for the day.
Yeah, yeah,
We're lucky with the weather now.
yeah.
Oh, this
It's
morning
lashing
was-
down in Dublin.
was last
Last year,
morning
the
as well.
rate was supposed to rain in here, so the rate from here must have gone down to Dublin.
Yeah.
Down to Dublin, yeah.
Looking at it, so. Anyways, enjoy
See
your
ya.
day.
See you now, much as that.
Good luck.
Wasn't that bad, was it?
No, you're okay. Be a little bit too much away, but I wouldn't worry about it.
I don't know Australian speed, so I wouldn't know from Australia, because I don't know anything about speed or his background, so I wouldn't know to be able about Australia. I don't know anything about his background. I don't even know much about Galileo's. And I know that he won a big race in 2001. So I think was it the Guineas? Was it Guineas who won 2001?
I think so, yeah.
What was his last fee before he died, Galileo?
600,000.
What?
600,000.
It's higher than Wooden Bassett.
Yeah.
She's actually waiting for grass, but I'm thinking, yeah, because I don't think that mare likes me. Like, I don't think she likes me.
No?
So, but she's nervous. That's why I try to go near her, she just goes away. She's a nervous wreck. She's just nervous. She keeps pinning her ears back. She just don't let me sail up. She won't even let me sail up to her. She won't even let me sail up to her. What she's so nervous about. What she's so nervous about. Yeah. No, not all the horses are like that with me at all. A lot of them don't feel threatened by me at all. For some reason, she doesn't seem to want to sell out to me at all. What's your problem, miss? What's the problem with me? Hey? No one sell out to me at all, no? Hey? What's the problem? Hey? You shouldn't be afraid to sell out to me. Hey? I would want to be a friend. Hey? I would want to be a friend. Hey? I would want to be a friend, girl. I want any grass, no? I would want to be a friend, girl.
Try it, go.
Come on, girl. I won't bite. I won't bite. Come on, girl. Don't say hello to me, no? I like us to be friends.
What's you called again? Marinez.
What was it?
Marinez.
Marinez.
Marinez or Marinez.
Marinez, come on, girl. Say hello to me. Good girl. That's the girl. Come on. There you go. See? That wasn't that hard, was it? That wasn't that hard, was it? See? That's it. See? You can do what you want to. That's it. Good girl. You see? That wasn't that bad, was it? See? That wasn't that bad, was it? You see? She can say hello to me when you want to. You see? I'm not that bad, am I? Good girl. See?
Yeah, very good.
She's still at the gate, is she? Still at the gate. Still there, there you go. Hey, I'm not that bad, am I? Hey, I'm not that bad. I'm out. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. What? Sit down. Not that bad. Am I? I'm not that bad, am I here? I must be a friend. Can we be friends? Can we be friends, girl? Can we be friends? This guy's very dirty, mate. He's walking out of the roots. Huh? He's walking out of the roots. I want to spin that out. Look at that. Oh, dirty.
She's be eating it.
And I start walking out of the roots. Walking out of the roots, mate. Coming out the roots. Coming out the roots, man. Pretty dirty. Oh! Put off my hand. Put off my hand, man. Put off my hand. She was in there. She eats in there better, right? She eats it better in there.
Yeah, yeah. Just trying to. Can't find it. Go give her more.
That's right. I put it in there, Jesus. I put it inside the stable. I put it inside the stable.
There you go.
I put it inside the stable.
Don't put it there. You can't go film doing this.
Huh?
She's eating it anyway. She is eating it.
She's eating kind of bits of it. Not all of it. It is quite dirty. The grass is very dirty. Look, it's kind of roots. Look at
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Roots. It's kind of roots. It's kind of roots. It's not really that clean. It's not really clean. It's kind of roots. Look, it's not really clean. It's dirty. Some parts is clean, some parts it's all coming out the it's all coming out the roots, like it's all coming out the roots, you know. Probably that clean. Ooh! Hey! She's put up in.
Yeah, she must be hungry.
I think I'm starting. I think she's starting to get used to me now. Because the last few times I was here, she wouldn't even go near me. She kept putting her ears back. Remember that?
Yeah.
But I try and get fresh and grass. The grass out there, it's coming out the roots, like. It's coming out the roots.
Hello. Yeah. Okay.
It's a bit more fresh.
Don't forget dubia.
Yeah.
Give us some dubia as well.
Think about it. This looks more fresher than that last grass I had. This looks more fresher. Would you like this grass? Marinette? Marinette? This is more fresher, girl. Marinette? That's much nicer. There's more fresh grass in this one. Ooh! There's more fresh grass in that one. That's much better already. What the fuck? Yes, it's just hungry. I think she pulled it off my hand, eh? She pulled it off my hand. You're hungry, girl, aren't you? You're hungry, girl, aren't you? Yeah, you're hungry, aren't you, girl? You're hungry. You are. Eh? I think I've got maybe a new friend. I've got, no, when a horse try to put their ears out like that.
Yeah.
He's the one to pet.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I can make a new friend, eh? So when they do that, when they put their ears out like that, it means they like you and they want you to pet them.
Yeah.
It's a good sign. That's a good sign because I learned that in Parkland. When they put their ears out, when they put their ears out like that, it means they want you to pet
Yeah.
them.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's only when they have their ears back they go.
Trouble. Yeah.
It's a good sign. It's a good sign that they like you. So I think I made
Here's Mom. Hi, Mom.
Jordan, I made a new friend! I've made a new friend! I've made a new friend with a brand new pair. Her name is Marinette. And the first name is called Marinette. Marinette is her name. Marinette. The first few times I met her, she was very nervous and she wouldn't even go near me. She kept putting her ears back.
Yeah.
But today I got my very first hello.
Yeah,
My very first hello. My very first hello. And my very first pet.
she's looking at the grass in your hand, that's what this.
No, but Charlie, it took time for me to get hello. It took time for I got a hello. I got my very first hello
What did she
today.
have?
When I first saw her today, she's a bit nervous, right?
Oh, yeah.
And then I talked her down.
Yeah.
Talked her down. All I want to do is be a friend. I just want to be a
Yeah.
friend. She come and say hello to me. And she came over and then I fell down. So I made a new friend, Charlie. I got a new friend. The last few times, this mare would not go near me. This mare would not go near me the last few times I met her.
Yeah.
She was so nervous she kept putting her ears back. But today I got my favourite hello. My favourite hello today. Nice name, Marinette. Marinette. Hello, girl. There you go. More grass. This mare's a hungry girl. She's a hungry. She's very hungry. Did you like the soup? Darling, did you like
Yeah,
the soup?
she's about 5 weeks old then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you like the soup?
What?
Did you like the soup? Did you
Oh,
like
it
the
was
soup?
gorgeous, yeah, it was, it was
What was it? What was it? Vegetable?
vegetable. See, it was gorgeous.
Yeah, yeah.
And if you get, yeah, absolutely nice.
Then, I'll be getting job here.
Probably get a Arabic name. The owner is Arabic. It sounds like.
That's a new mare, darling. These two are new. All these mares are new. Darling. All these mares are new. That's the daughter. This one here is the daughter of Australia. That one there is the daughter of Australia. That's the son of GALE. This is son of GALE. Yeah. Davia. This is Davia. My friend Davia.
Oh.
Lovely, isn't she? It's nice mare, isn't she? This is Davia. She's called Davia, John. Nice name, isn't it?
Son of, the foal is a son of Wooten Bassett.
The foal's by Wooden Bassett.
Oh, yeah.
Will Bassett is the horse that died last year, and his last year was 300,000. So that foal's very valuable. That foal's very valuable, Darren. Still up to the mares and the.
Okay, pause video.
Pause it.